Fruit facial bleach to get rosy white complexion in 10 minutes. Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you my all-time favorite recipe of my homemade fruit facial bleach, which will help improve the unevenness, texture, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, brown spots, scars and wrinkled skin, and will give you a rosy white, younger complexion naturally. So let's find out how you can prepare your homemade fruit bleach. So to prepare, the first thing that you need is apple. So you need half apple. Peel and chop the apple. The vitamin C and antioxidants packed in apple improve skin quality, lightens spots, prevents sagging skin and grants you a naturally fairer, bright glowing complexion. The next thing that you need is lemon. So you need the juice of half lemon. We all know lemons are great for our skin. They're loaded with citric acid, vitamin C and antioxidants that have a natural bleaching effect on the skin, and it boosts skin radiance, makes the skin much lighter and clear. The next most important thing that you need is rose kaolin clay, also known as pink kaolin clay. Now this is from Charcoal Chemicals. So you need 1 big tablespoon of rose kaolin clay. Rose kaolin clay is a powerful agent for detoxification and has detoxifying, whitening and clarifying properties. Another advantage is that it is ideally suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The next thing that you need is rose water. Rose water is an excellent therapy for toning, rejuvenating and glowing skin. It detoxifies and balances the pH levels of the skin. So you need 2 tablespoons of rose water. The final ingredient that you need is 2 tablespoons milk. Milk is full of nutrients and vitamins that makes dull skin appear fair and glowing. The lactic acid in milk reduces skin pigmentation, spots, resulting in a lighter complexion. So put all the ingredients into the mixer and grind until you get a fully smooth paste. Transfer into a clean container. You can store for up to 4 days in the refrigerator. Before applying, clean your face with rose water. Then using a brush, apply on your face. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash off with cool water. Enriched with multivitamins, antioxidants, it helps nourish your skin and leaves a pinkish glow. It also fades dark circles, relaxes fine lines and improves skin tone and clarity. Leaves skin exceptionally bright, fair and young. Just use this pack twice in a week or before any special occasion and let your gorgeous skin be the talk of the town. I hope you found this video useful. You can follow me on Instagram for latest beauty updates. Subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye-bye.